Modern science has uncovered an incredible natural phenomenon. Where two different seas meet, there exists a barrier that prevents them from mixing. Each sea maintains its own temperature, salinity, and density, despite strong waves, currents, and tides. One of the most famous examples of this is where the Mediterranean Sea meets the Atlantic Ocean at the Strait of Gibraltar. While these bodies of water appear to merge, they do not transgress their boundaries. This remarkable discovery, however, was already revealed in the Holy Quran 1400 years ago. Allah states in the Quran, "He released the two seas, meeting side by side. Between them is a barrier so neither of them transgresses." Quran 55:19-20. Additionally, Allah describes another type of water barrier, "And it is He who has released simultaneously the two seas, one fresh and sweet, and one salty and bitter. And He placed between them a barrier and a prohibiting partition." Quran 25:53. Centuries later, marine science confirmed what had already been mentioned in the Quran. The renowned French marine scientist, Captain Jacques Cousteau, famous for his underwater research, conducted extensive studies on water barriers. His findings astonished the scientific community. Cousteau and his team discovered that the Mediterranean Sea has distinct characteristics, including its own salinity, density, and unique marine life. Similarly, the Atlantic Ocean had completely different properties. Despite the meeting of these two massive bodies of water at the Strait of Gibraltar, their compositions remain separate. Further studies in 1962 by German scientists at Bab el-Mandeb, where the Gulf of Aden meets the Red Sea, revealed a similar barrier. No matter where different seas met, an unseen boundary kept them from fully mixing. Moreover, the phenomenon extends beyond oceans. Rivers, despite their natural flow into seas, do not immediately blend with the saltwater. The separation of fresh and salt water in deltas and bays is yet another example of the intricate design in nature. If these barriers did not exist, freshwater sources would mix entirely with saltwater, rendering them undrinkable and causing catastrophic damage to ecosystems. Such an intricate system could not have been known to a man living in the 7th century without any modern scientific tools. Yet the Quran described these precise natural laws long before marine scientists could study them. This serves as undeniable evidence of the divine origin of the Quran and the infinite power of Allah. How could Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, have written about such a phenomenon 1400 years ago, when modern oceanography only confirmed it in recent times? This discovery stands as a testament to the truth of the Quran and its divine revelation. The barriers in the seas remind us of Allah's perfect creation and wisdom. They are not just scientific facts, but signs for those who reflect. The more we explore the depths of knowledge, the more we recognize the truth that was revealed centuries ago. Indeed, the words of the Quran continue to astonish humanity, proving again and again that they are not the words of man, but the words of the Almighty Creator.